Employees only. Look at all these people having their fun barbecue.
Let me see this.
Next, we're going to the animal exhibit. Go straight. Behind Wild About Animals. Here's some train. Last year with the class. Yeah. Something with your heart. Okay, I'm going with the purple. Purple's mine, because I'm wearing a purple shirt. Which way? This way. I think this way. This way. Oh my! Wow, my purple one. Oh my! Oh, let me press this time. Let me press it this time. Oh. Oh no, I had the bus price first, this one. With my ball. Ah! Yeah! Wait, wait, purple! Purple! Okay. Uh-oh! Oh no! On here! On here! Yep, because I don't have shorty feet. Now it's Selma's turn. To start, low pitch noise. I'm gonna do to low. This is low pitch. This is high pitch. This is low pitch. Low pitch.